So welcome to you all in the major project presentation part, and myself Vaibhav Soni as the team leader of this project, and we have made the project on e-commerce website, and this was a project based on the prototyping model where we have tried to show the model as per the e-commerce how they actually work. Let's start the screen. Let's start the video, and I will introduce each and every step. So let's go ahead on the video and let's see what I have made and our team has made for this major project session. So let's start. So initially you have this register page up where any user for the first time when he comes out, so he has to register itself, and he will making the user will register himself in our website, and as this registration will be the permanent, and that will be uploaded in the database. So let's see. So initially he had being the user since I am the user, let's suppose, and this name is written mine, and I have Gmail ID as well, and I have logged with the password. Now this is what Google reCAPTCHA, so that to identify the user is not robot. And let's check out what happens to it after the. So the user has got registered and he's logged in. Now what happens after the login? Now the user has been logged into the website. Now the first things comes into the mind, what if the mail ID is gone wrong or the password is gone wrong? So that will be, it will not logged into the main page since he has, put it with the wrong password. So it will not get into the main page, right? So since we have completed with the successful, so login, we have a dashboard. So this is our dashboard, which I have created for the e-commerce website, and we have registered. So we have every product, and every product can be added into this cart, and we have the as a nav bar with a cart, and we have added one product. So initially this product has been written with one, and let's say what else we have. What can we include? So this card, this bride of this shoes has been added. This watch is being added on to the, so this has been added now. This is actually the pagination part, which I have been included in the every website. Now coming to this cart option, so I have this cart option. So all the products which I have added into the cart all will be listed, and this whole now product will now you can buy, and you can remove the product from the cart. If you wish to buy this product, you can add or you can remove from the cart, and let's see what happens in the video next. So initially, if I want to remove this, let's say some item from the cart which I have added into the wish list, so you can remove. So let's remove this, right? So first product has been removed, and it's all being deleted in the database itself. So yeah, that's also the functionality which I have been shown as a CRUD operations. And the moment you go on the buy now option, now you can check now before your removal, your checkout price would be like total of all the prices. Let's say we have 300 rupees for this shoe product and this 159 for the watches. So we have an initial price of the total price which we got is 459. So this was an initial which you get ahead as a the payment you have to make, right? That's the second product. So now this we have the buy now option. So since the payment gateway integration has not been yet done, and this is a prototype model, so I'm suggesting that I'm really assuming that the product has been bought and already having all the data onto the database. And the moment you do the buy now, it will get buy now feature. So let's see what happens when you click on the buy now option. So yeah, product is now bought. And you can even cancel the product if you want to cancel the delivery as well. You can cancel, but since this is a prototyping model, so I cannot go ahead with the cancellation option, right? So you can go ahead with cancellation, but so I'm thinking that you are not, you are not having the payment gateway. I am not having the payment. So let's see what happens when it cancels get out. So that was an option which you have buy. This is the price showing all. This was since it was a single quantity was single. So that was the enough product, right? So, and the date is also mentioned in which date you were ordered. So yeah, that was all about for the project. Now I have given the functionality of what delete account. If the user wants to delete the account, he can delete it. And if the user want to log out from our website, it can be logged out. And if you want to provide the feedback, and that's all, you can provide the feedback. I have provided the link with the attached the Google form with this. So it can be, provide the feedback as well, right? So it can be deleted, it can be logged out, you can provide feedback. And let's see what happens with the logout, right? So the moment you logged out from the ones, you actually come into the login page, and here you can again create an account. You have an option. You don't have an account yet, you can create an account, and again you can log in, right? So yeah, you initially, all you again logged in, right? Let's delete the account, right? Now my account has been, you can provide the feedback. So this is a Google form which I have attached with this. So you can enter your Gmail ID, your overall satisfaction with the website. You can rate us from 1 to 5, whichever you want. And you have any suggestions, you can put on to this. And one of the interesting thing in the project that we have yet maintained, that even though I logged out from the website, but what I buy have the whatever the items which I'm buying, it is still in the quantity product, right? So that's the initial way. And if your account has been deleted, then your overall product would be deleted. So that's a user personal. Whichever with the product you have been, listed out will all be get cancelled, and you will be like no product will be added onto your cart or nothing, right? So yeah, this was the major important thing from our project. So we have again one functionality to cancel the cart product, right? If you have buy it product and you want to, return it, or you want to cancel that delivery option, so we have the cancellation part as well. So we have cancelled one of the item which we have added, like items to shoes, and that has been cancelled because I have not yet, I again said we have not a payment gateway integrated. So I cannot go ahead with the payment options as well. So all have been done with a prototype and just thinking to get ahead. Now here my account has been yet deleted, and you have to again register into the website, and then you have to log into it again, and you will be the new user, and it has been, it's already connected with all the database. I have been using Java database connectivity for the backend part to, send the queries to the database, and I have maintained the normalization concepts. So yeah, that was the new user. He can go ahead. So let's see what happens next. So that was the page, and you can again register it, and you can be a new user. Any user which comes to a new, he has to register. And now this was all from my presentation part. Thank you.